feeling a shift in your bathroom habits? Maybe those nighttime trips are becoming a bit too frequent, or you're noticing a weaker stream. If you're a man over 40, these could be signs that your prostate needs some attention. It's easy to brush these off as minor annoyances, but they can really impact your quality of life, affecting your sleep, energy, and even your confidence. That's where Prostate Plus comes in. This isn't just another supplement. It's a powerful, natural solution designed specifically for men like us. With a blend of 11 potent ingredients, Prostate Plus helps restore comfortable urination, so you can finally get a good night's sleep. Plus, it supports your entire urinary and reproductive systems, giving you that boost in energy and vitality you might be missing. Don't let prostate discomfort hold you back. Prostate Plus is GMO-free, gluten-free, and made with your health in mind. It's time to take control, feel revitalized, and embrace your masculinity again.
Thank you for watching. For a more in-depth review of the product, click the link in the description below to visit the official website.